Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook Lite here and you will enter. Then in this page you will go to click force stop. When you will add this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will go to click clear manage storage. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.